So Microvellum's helped us expand our services and improve relationships with our existing clients because it's given us the ability to offer straight from drawing sent to machine. We can actually reduce our lead time once the drawing is signed off because the products are already in the system and they can get sent straight to our machines. We had a customer come in and he wanted some mailbox joinery. He didn't have any details, drawings. He knew roughly what the mailbox size should be and what hardware we were going to use for the locks and the hinges and things like that. So we took his idea and his sketch, we created the full mailbox design, and we were able to cut that as a flat pack, edge it, and provide it to our customer. That cut to size service that we do through Microvellum is something we offer to people who necessarily don't have the ability to do their own cutting lists and don't have their own machinery to do CNC routing and things like that, or don't have the capacity. So Microvellum's helping a lot with the cut to size service because we can actually create our own library of our own products in Microvellum. We essentially created a separate library just to use as our what we call trade library, and that allows other cabinet makers or other carpenters, other trades to order cabinets and products from us. We're not just limited to that library. Whatever somebody can imagine or draw, Microvellum can probably produce.